Sino kaya kausap niya? Where are you going? Huh?
I want to eat that one.
Okay, go eat it.
Can eat this one.
Yeah, go eat. Ate, where are you?
Huh?
What's that? Train? Is there a train?
Where's that for the train?
Good morning, guys! Today is Monday, July 7. We are going to Costco. Tingin na kami ng tsinelas. May mabibili kami doon kasi wala kaming baon. Pupunta kami ng beach mamaya. And then after that, pupunta na kami ng Ross and Marshalls. And then we're gonna go back to hotel. Sunduin namin si Altela. And then pupunta na kami ng Belmont Park. And then magbe-beach kami. Yun lang. That's the plan for today. And then later on, meron tayong cruise. And then, wala pa kaming breakfast. Gutom na kami. Wala na kami ng pwedeng bilhin for breakfast. It's currently, Ross na, magta-10 na pala. Gas lamp na pala to. So, punta lang kami ng Costco. Tama ba? Ay, hindi ko. Gas lamp ba to? Oo nga, gas lamp nga. We are currently here in Gaslamp. There you go. Ayan, dami pa lang ano dito yo. Ang daming kainan. Pero ano to yung mga nightlife. Mga inuman. Padres. San Diego Padres.
Parking lot for your destination.
We are here now at Costco. Mati, did you see the airplane?
Yeah.
There. Check yung watches nila dito sa San Diego. Costco, San Diego. Ooh, ang ganda nitong Versace. Ito rin dati Ferragamo. Press lang yung watches nila. What's that?
Yeah, it's always nice to go check out another food.
Titan lunch pack. $14. Yung shoes. Anong shoes yan?
Pila.
Tila.
I want to eat
Adidas. Nadi yun? Ito, daddy. Pero panlalaki. You want this? Sa'yo? 16. That's for men's. Wala kaming nabili dito sa Costco kasi wala yung tsinelas na gusto ko. So, bili na kami ng hotdog or anything. Eh, pala gusto ni Ate Bila ko na siya ng chicken bake. What do you want, daddy? Come here. I'm gonna order here. Kailangan din ng membership ni. Scan membership. Kahit nasa lang. Okay. Chicken bake for Ate. Ate, you want pepperoni pizza? Daddy, what do you want? Hotdog. Dalawang hotdog. Ang coffee nila, daddy, ano lang? Ito. Malamig. Okay na kaya? Cold brew, mocha freeze. Mocha.
At least pareho.
Oo, parehas pala malamig. Ay, ano yun? Blended. Sige, yaman na. Mocha. Okay. Kasama pala tong drinks, no? Yung hotdog. Ano pa? Wala na? Chicken bake, hotdog, pizza. Di ba niya maubos yung pizza niya eh. Okay, we're good.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Peter.
Mga ilaw ng hotdog. Kung pinakain yung bun, hotdog lang. Siya kumakain siya ng pepperoni pizza. Di pupunta na kami ng Marshalls.
Hi.
Say hi, can say. Where are we going?
Peter.
With Peter? Oh my goodness. Wala kami nabili sa Costco. Bumili na lang kami ng pagkain. Tapos pupunta na kami ng Marshalls right now. Dol-dol naman yun.
Dodi.
Dodi, Dodi. Ay!
wrong, Mommy?
Hmm?
What's wrong, Mommy?
I almost tripped. We're here now sa Marshalls. Pasok lang tayo.
Look. Ay,
Crush can?
ay. Almost tripped.
You almost tripped? May copying
Can
me.
you open the
Open the door.
Door. Door.
No, ako sa loob.
Door. Oh, I open the door.
Wow, very good. You did it.
Open the door.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Put the
I want
GPS.
toy. I want the toy.
Toy?
The toy.
Toy daw agad. Okay guys, on the way na kami. Stay na namin si Althea. Ako nakapag-vlog sa Marshalls kasi mamadali na kami. Bumili lang kami ng chinelas. Sa smati mo kulit. Hindi naman kulit. Sad? Are you sad? Oh, you sad? You're sleepy? Are you sleepy? Ito lang yung mga nabili namin. Itong Crocs para kay Ate Althea. Hindi ko alam kung kasya, pero sana kasya. Size 6. Kasi size 5 sa akin sobrang laki. So, size 8 siya. Baka kako kasya sa kanya itong size 6. Pero size 8 yun, pero try natin. Pili ko kasya, malaki size ng Crocs eh. Tapos, ito yung sa akin nabili ko. Ito lang. $7.99. Pang lang naman to pang dagat mamaya. Para may masuot tayo sa dagat. Kasi di pwede itong sandals ko. Ano yan eh? Wedge. Ayan. Tapos, nakabili ako ng cleansing oil dun sa Marshalls. Ang hirap kasi hanapin nito. Kaya pag may chance na meron na kami nakita, binibili na namin agad. Kano to? $14.99. Kasi tinagamit namin na cleansing oil, eh, pag naubos, ang hirap maghanap. So, kapag na-order ka online, ang tagal dumating. So, pag may nakita kami sa Marshalls, binibili na namin. Tapos, bumili na ulit ako ng panghilamos. Ayan. Gel foam. Panghilamos. Yun lang. Yun lang yung nabili namin. Sunduin na namin si ate. Tapos, pupunta na kami ng Belmont Park. On the way na kami. Ayun, tapos El Gordo na pala to, honey, yung. Ooh. Diyan na lang tayo mag-lunch mamaya. Kung galing natin ng beach, mag-take out na lang tayo, na. Take out na lang tayo. Yung Tacos El Gordo, famous yun na taco spot dito sa San Diego. Last time pumunta kami doon, di kami nakakain last year kasi walang maparkingan. So, nag-give up na kami ng maparkingan. So, this time, siguro, mag-check, ano na lang kami. Take out na lang kami. If ever. So, kayo na sa hotel. After mag-beach.
Turn right into the parking lot.
We're here now at Belmont Park. Ito, last year hindi namin napuntahan. So, we're back. We're back in San Diego. Pinuntahan na natin. Ayan, there you go.
Available.
Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Ayan pala dati yung mga ano. Tingin tayo mamaya. We're here now at Belmont Park.
On this
Say hi,
road,
ate.
every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day and night. Nature's canvas, falling so grand.
Churros. What? Look at that, Matthew.
Okay. Yan, bomb car.
We're gonna ride the bomb car too. Oh. Keep going. Ha? Dubai chocolate. Ayun, magkano kaya yun? Dubai chocolate. Sigurado mahal. Yan, bomb car tayo. Pwede ba si Mati dyan? Buy and ride. Ah, pwede.
Respond for 5 tickets.
Respond or 5 tickets. Ha? 42. May ride with a paid. Kailangan 42 inches. Pwede siya, pero kami kasama. Pwede na ba si Matthew? Ano na, umina na siya. Yun yung roller coaster. Ayun, Daddy. Pwede siguro si Matthew doon.
Try that?
Wanna try that? But more cheeseburger. Picture tayo ah. Yay! Oh, you can ride with me. You can ride with Daddy. Let's go. You wanna ride? Sakay sila Adrian. Tsaka si Matthew. What? What? You liked it? Matthew, you like it? More? More? Ano, nahilo ka? Pag-roller coaster na ka. Dito ba yung roller coaster? Ay ba yan? Ah, doon.
Happy natin isang bomb car.
Yung bomb car napin natin. Ano yun? Ayun na yun. Yung nag-roller coaster. Yun, giant paper.
Next na tayo.
Sakay na kayo.
Sakay na kami.
Magkano to?
Sakay kami ni ate dito sa giant paper sa may roller coaster. Hindi na lang kami. Abot sa atin, be? Phone, keys, wallet, hats, camera, mark. Oh my God. Nag-roller coaster kami giant paper. Sobrang ilong-ilong. Sobrang grabe. Ano ba? Hilo-hilo kami ni Taya. Parang nawala yung katawan ko sa sarili ko. Grabe. Hinahanap lang namin si Nathan. Grabe yun. Grabe naman yung roller. Yun yata yung worst na nasakyan kong roller coaster eh. Yung mga nasakyan ko medyo nakakatakot din. Pero grabe yun. Ang tagal. Sabi ko bakit iba tatapos? Grabe. Jug. Asan sila? Wala sila dito. Baka naikot. Sinipon ako. Oh my God. Wala sila. Baka lumabas na sila. Wala sila dito. Ayun. Nakita ka na sila. Ayun. Oh, sorry. Okay, go. Gusto ko grabe. Kinaya ko yung roller coaster, giant dipper, pero parang hindi ko kaya to. Grabe yun. Ikot-ikot. Hindi ko kaya yan. Hilo-hilo ako dyan. Oh my God! Upside down! You're so scary. Ayaw na magpa-picture. Oh. What? What's that? What's that? So funny. Ah, ulo. Ulo. Yun siya ng hat. $10 lahat ng hat. Ito lang. Ito blue. Tapos ito California. Cali. Ito. Ayaw mo ito? Not like that one.
Kulay sana. Gusto magandang kulay.
Anong color? Ah, San Diego na ganito. Kali lang nakalagay.
Red there.
Ayun, baby, nalala mo, tapos mag-drop. Oh my God! Nakakatawa. Sakay si Matthew dito sa wave, what do you call this? Kasya ka? Oh no, that is so big. Smile! Are you ready? Are you ready? What? Bye! Bye! Ooh! Daddy! You liked it? It's closed, my love. Sorry.
They're still working on it. Hey, Maybell.
Gusto mo yan, be? Let us go here. Can we ride, all of us? Be, gusto mag-zipline?
Naka-skirt na ako.
Wall climb. Going inside.
Now, one clear, hold your hand up.
Oh my God, how can I go?
Put your hand back on the red skin. Awesome job. Now, wait for you. Put your hand back on the red skin.
All done? That's it?
May timer tayo pa.
308. We're up! Hold on! We're done here at Belmont Park. Balik na kami sa kotse. Papalit lang si Mati ng pang-swimming, ng swimsuit. Balik na, punta na kami sa beach. Ina-enjoy niya yung last ride. Gusto niya. Gusto niya bumalik. Kaya lang, naubos na yung tickets namin. 3 tickets na lang yung natira. Ajo, did you like it? Where are you? Oh, what's that? Go back to the car. Punta kami dito. Inside the store. What's that?
To go?
T-shirt. San Diego t-shirts. 2 for $24. Sumate? T-shirt. Tingin ako ng ano, Daddy. Magnet. Bakit? Anong meron? Baka may... Wala. Ay, shade mo. Tandaan mo. Tingin ako magnet. 3, 4, 15. $6 each. Good job. When it's green, you can go.
Right.
Achu, come on, let's go to Daddy. You want mommy to hold that? Huh? I'll hold that for you.
Far.
It's too far. Come on, go walk.
Too far away.
It's too far away. It's too far away daw. Okay, come on. Basa na dun mo. Oh, dito pwede siguro ito. Daddy will build a tent here. Come on.
Okay.
Why are you talking to the bird?
Hello.
You're scaring the bird. What's that? What did you see there? No more? It's gone. Achoo. Look. Is it cold? I'm coming.
I see my. I want to go in the sand.
Okay, go. Go in the sand.
I want to go and swimming there.
You want to go swimming there? It's too deep. We're just gonna stay here. It's deep there.
I want to go in the sand.
Okay, go. Let's go in the sand. Come on, let's build a sand castle. You want to build a sand castle? Okay, come on.
Yes, it is.
Hmm?
It's my sand. Yes, you can go.
Kung kaya maligo siya pag ganyan.
Bakit?
Ang lamig.
Hindi mo kaya? Ayaw maliga?
Hindi ako.
Ayun sila, nag-ano lang sila ng paan. Matthew, is it fun? Ate, baka malagay mo sa mata ha. Is it fun? Ha? Lalaro siya.
Hindi pa na doon yung upuan.
Nasa likod ng kotse. Ayaw na, upo na lang tayo. Deliberate. Here to beach.
Okay, get another one.
Ang windy. We're just wearing our swimsuit. Pero naka-ano pa tayo shorts. Ang natin mamaya. Pero bukang hindi ako magsuswim. Mukhang malamig.
Hey.
Two. What are you singing? Can you sing again?
Go.
Matthew.
Go.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky.
Hi guys, we are going to the North Harbor Cruise. Naglakad lang kami pag galing hotel, papunta dun sa pier. Sana tama yung direction. 5:30 yung start. It's currently 5:05 na ata. 5 minutes walk pa. Dyan na yun. You want to carry now? Okay. We could be faster. Matthew, say hi! Say hi to the guys! Ate, say hi to the guys!
Hi, the guys. Hi, the guys.
Dun na kami. We're just waiting to get in and then we're gonna go there. You have to wait, baby, okay? Matthew, we have to wait,
I
okay?
want to go.
Yeah. We have to wait.
I want to go.
Take a picture.
No, no, no.
Stay here.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I can invest you.
Be your tour guide for today. Now, as we begin to pack up today, I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to your stellar crew. We actually have 2 captains up there. We also have 2 highly dedicated technicians on board. We have 2
Hurry now.
top deck. Situated directly next to the airport. Harbor Island was developed for construction. Nowadays, it features several waterfront restaurants, free and rise hotels.
What?
Want to go on house.
You're almost done. You're almost done.
On that barge off our port side, Tilly's male is absolutely huge. Male sea lions can grow to be up to about 800 pounds in weight. Females tend to be a little bit more petite at about 250 to 300. Oh, I can also see a sea lion swimming around off our port side out on the hunt. We also have some seabirds hanging out on these barges. We have a brown pelican. We also have some big swings for looking white-head, ones with yellow bills the water to catch its prey.
So, guys, we are done with the tour. Okay lang. Nothing special. Experience din. Libre naman. Pero kung bibiling ko yun, no. Bibili mo yun. It's $38 per person. Pero okay lang. At least nakita natin yung San Diego Bay. No? May history. What? Achoo! We're done. Yeah. Daming cactus. Ang cute na. Ano? Embassy Suites. Ay, hindi sa kabilang. Ay, ito yun. Hotel. Ayun na pala yung hotel natin. Ang ganda. Diyan, picture kita dyan, be. Sama. Achu! Did you wait for me? Matthew, did you wait for me? So, picture, Jack. Where are we going? On that side. Matthew! Ate. Shh, that's dirty. Allah. This is our hotel.
2,000 years later.
We are here at Westfield UTC. Nag-reserve kami, nag-waitlist pala sa Din Tai Fung kasi Din Tai Fung. Ang tagal na ni ate gusto kumain doon. Kahapon pa dapat. Walang reservation. Laging full. Tapos hindi kami mag-waitlist. Maabot ng 150. So, let's see kung makakakain tayo doon. Hindi. Kain na lang tayo sa iba. Kung wala tayo makakakain sa Din Tai Fung. We're back here again. Okay. Ito na yung Uniqlo. Nung last time na pumunta kami dito, close pa yan. Hindi pa nagbubukas. Final, kain na lang kami sa Haidilao kasi hindi na namin kaya. Gutom na kami. Wala pa kaming breakfast lunch. Zara. Let's go to Zara. So, dito na kami sa Haidilao. Mag-dinner. Sakto, ang lamig. Ang lamig, tapos naka-spaghetti strap pa ako. Haidilao, hot pot. What? Hi guys. What's that? May free kids meal, no? May nuggets, may fruits. What's this? Bun?
Hey, what's this?
Big may parang Yakult. May music dito sa Haidilao, so hindi ako masyado makapag-vlog. Pero ang cute to. Mayroon siyang baby apron. Baby apron, tapos may mga apron din kami. Meron ng free na cup for water niya. Tapos meron pang toy na binigay. Grabe naman. Ang galing dito. First time namin dito sa Haidilao, pero ang dami nilang pa-freebie. Ang galing. So, nag-order na kami. Tapos, ito yung in-order namin. Yung ano na in-order namin, yung combo. Ito kay ate, nag-order siya ng strawberry matcha. Pero ito yung in-order namin. Set meal for 2. So, kasi may sa amin. May soup base. Dalawang soup base. Tapos may mga ito na lang in-order ko. Ayan. May appetizers ko kasi na may vegetables. May rice. Tapos libre lang yung kids yun. Tapos ito yung, meron doon, libre tayo doon. Pwede kumuha doon dalawa. Parang ano ba to? Sa salad for ata. Ano, what's this toy? You like it? Ang galing. Let's try to play it. Paano? Ang kunin mo yung ano. Oh, tapos meron pang, syempre may wet wipes. Tapos meron pang ipit. Oh, dalawa kasi nga para kay Thea. Ang galing naman dito sa Haidilao. Ang galing. Tapos may free na tea. Gusto niya free lang yung pagkain ni Matthew. Very good. Good choice. Yeah. I'm gonna get. Can we get it or?
I'll get it for you.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna wait for your soup before I put everything down. Is that okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, me.
Can you do it now? Oh yeah, you have to release it back in here. So you have to twist this one, my love. You have to twist this one. This one. Okay, this. Another one. Okay. Complimentary tea.
Also, I wanted to show that I did the Yelp thing. Like the 5-star.
You can follow those. What are you following? Huh? Okay. Okay, I'll make one as well. What tayong sauce? Saan ko kumuha niyan, ate? Okay. Wala tayo ng sauce natin. We're just waiting for the protein. Sarap nito guys, yung shrimp, shrimp balls with cheese. Ang sarap. Good. Sarap. Kain muna tayo. Robot. Ito na yung mga beef natin, protein. Ayan. Okay, let's eat. Sarap nitong lobster ball, tapos may laman sa loob. May laman sa loob. Sarap. So good. Everything's so good here. You want daddy? Kaya pala hindi tayo kumain buong araw. Kasi kakain tayo ng madami ngayon. Kaya whole day kami di kumain. Nakakuha pa si Ate Althea ng free na custard. Parang custard buns. May sinabi lang siyang free. Bago na naman tayo si Matthew. Nagka-cry kasi siya. Binigyan siya ulit ng toys. Wow! Free ice cream. Vanilla and matcha. Diba? It's so yummy. Complimentary din yan. Wow! You like it? You like it? Eat it. We are back at the hotel. Ito pala yung mga nakuha naming freebie dun sa Haidilao. Ito yung apron ni Matthew. Tapos binigyan siya ng 2 toys. Ayan. Ang galing. And then what's this? Tote bag. Wow! And then to, 4 na tote bags yung binigay niya. Grabe.
Uy, ang cute.
Ang cute. Mati, look at that. So cute. Diba? Pwedeng lagyan ng mga anik-anik. Yung mga toys niya, pwedeng lagay dyan. Very good. You like it? Swerte ng baby namin. Grabe yung customer service doon. Excellent. Superb. Delivery. Ito pala yung pictures namin kanina dun sa cruise. Binayaran namin to ng $25. Bali, 4. 4 na pictures. Check natin. Ito yung 4 pictures. 2 shot. Ito hindi nakatingin si Matthew. Tapos itong isa. Nakasmile naman siya. Ay, mag-focus. Yan. 4 niyan. Tapos 4 na ganito. Lalagay mo siya sa loob. Pero ipi-frame ko na lang siya para ma-display sa bahay. Yan. So, 4 like that. Remembrance din yan. Then, lagay natin sa frame. Display natin sa bahay. That's it for today's video. Bukas naman ulit. Pagod na ang lahat. Matutulog na kami. Naantok na ako. Grabe. Ito pala yung outfit natin. Dress lang. Ay, kita nyo yung ulit si may pa-dress. May... Good night, guys. Good night pala dito. Pero wherever you are. Bye, guys.